Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Denise, and she writes, I saw all the bouquets you have made and I have fallen in love with them. My theme are lilies and I would love to incorporate purple and white calla lilies with large or ornamental lily flowers also. And I would love it if you could incorporate feathers. Please give me an idea of what I can do. And my wedding takes place soon. We had to move it due to the pandemic, but we are so excited to have our family and friends there. Well, Denise, not only am I going to show you how to create this beautiful, realistic lily wedding bouquet, I'm also going to incorporate your different ideas, and it's going to be for a fraction of what it would cost and look just as beautiful with artificial flowers. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Beautiful Lily Bridal Bouquet. Okay guys, let's go. So just a little secret, I am absolutely in love with latex flowers. They are the next best thing to real flowers. So we're gonna just take our purple calla lilies, right around seven or eight of those we're gonna use, and we're gonna use another dozen to a dozen and a half of our white calla lilies, and we're just going to start framing them. The important thing is to keep the tips out. That's what creates the uniform look, is keeping the tips out. Now some of you will be like, I just want this bouquet right here without any of the extras. Guess what? That's totally fine. If that's what you decide to do, you're just going to put your calla lilies together just like you see me doing here. We're going to make sure all the stems are all one length, and then we're going to go ahead and take some of our floral tape and wrap it on the end just to secure it. So in this case, we could add more flowers to the bouquet. Now that we have our stems secure, we're going to go ahead and start fanning out our calla lilies to create space for our other ornamental lilies as well as the feathers. So the wonderful thing about these large lily flowers is that they have wire in the actual petals, so you can really form them and shape them the way you would like. We're going to keep the stem about 3 to 4 inches long so it fits nice and snug into our bouquet. If you would like, once you decide where you want to place them, you can always put a dab of hot glue on the very end just for some extra security, but really you'll see why you don't even really need that, but it's always there if you would like to use that option. Now that we have our large lily blossoms in place, we're going to make sure that our ends are nice and even, and we're going to then wrap it with some 26 gauge floral wire. Now don't worry, all the links to all the supplies are in the description right below this video for your use. You don't have to worry about where I got the supplies from. I give them to you. So we're going to take about, 18 to 24 inches of this floral wire and just securely wrap the top of the bouquet nice and tight and snug so that everything stays in place. Next, we're going to wrap the wire with our floral tape just to cover it and to just add a little bit of extra security and, make it look more aesthetically pleasing. Now we are going to add our feathers, our ostrich feathers, just with a dab of hot glue to secure them in place. Our final step is to create that beautiful, elegant bouquet handle with this 4-inch satin ribbon. Finally, you will secure the ribbon by folding it over and either attaching some straight pins to the ribbon directly or adding a little hot glue underneath and securing it in place. Finally, you're going to remove the floral tape from the end of the bouquet handle, and there you have it. Well, Denise, how did we do? It's absolutely gorgeous. I love how it turned out. I hope you do too. Well, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, as well as if you would like a special notification, just click on that little bell and you will get a special notice the moment our videos are live. In addition to that, don't forget that you can leave us a comment or ask us a question. I answer the questions myself. Now, sometimes I don't get to them as fast as you would like, but don't worry, we have an awesome community of DIYers, and if I don't get to it quickly, trust me, they have your back. I love our community. In addition to that, if you would like to continue to follow us on our other social media platforms, by all means, do it. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They actually pay you to shop. We use them ourselves. You simply go down to the description below, click on the link for Rakuten, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and get a check for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple, guys. You don't want to miss it. Also, don't forget the links to all the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below the video. Just click on that little button. I believe it says Show More. Click on the Show More button and you will see all of the links there for your use. You don't have to wonder where we got things from. It's all right there for you. We try to make it as easy as possible for you to DIY the wedding, party, or event of your dreams. In addition to that, don't forget to head over to our website, MissPlanet.com. We have some awesome cost-saving tips, ideas, instructions, just so much information for you. Don't want you to miss out. Click on that little button right there in the corner. It'll take you right to our website, MissPlanet.com, where you can also submit your project requests. But we do tell you, do them sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely, it pains me to tell anyone no. So please, if there's a project we can help you with, head over to our website, click on the link that says project tab, the tab that says project, and follow the very simple steps. And while you're there, check out our blog post on cost-saving tips. You don't want to miss out on them. All right, guys, with that being said, we are out of time. It goes by so fast. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and just thank you for being the wonderful community that you are. So, until next time, please take care of yourself and always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God God bless.